On this planet, zombies already exist, just not in humans. There are parasites on Earth that can take control of another creature's brain, change its decisions, and even force it to walk toward its own death. And this isn't a story. It's real biology. Inside a praying mantis, there can be a hidden parasite called a horsehair worm. For weeks, sometimes months, this worm quietly grows inside the mantis. The mantis keeps hunting, eating, and living its normal life, completely unaware that its brain is no longer fully in control. When the parasite is finally ready, it rewrites the mantis's behavior. Suddenly, the mantis feels an intense urge to find water. Normally, mantises avoid water in nature, but now it can't stop moving toward it. When it reaches the edge, the parasite forces the mantis to jump in. The mantis drowns, and as it dies, the worm emerges alive, completing its life cycle. The host dies, the parasite wins. But this isn't the only victim. In forests, there is a fungus called ophiocordyceps that infects ants. It doesn't immediately kill them, it controls them. The fungus takes over the ant's nervous system and forces it to climb to a high place on a leaf. Then it makes the ant lock its jaws onto the leaf and wait. The ant is still alive, but it's no longer making its own decisions. Eventually, the fungus grows out of the ant's head and releases spores, infecting other ants and turning them into perfect biological zombies. Rats face something even stranger. A parasite called toxoplasma gondii changes a rat's brain so that it no longer fears the smell of cats. In fact, it can feel attracted to it. The rat moves toward the cat. The cat eats the rat, and the parasite reaches its next host. This parasite can even change risk-taking behavior and reaction time. Scientists are now discovering fungi that can tolerate human body temperature, which means something like this could theoretically evolve further. So human zombies may not exist today, but nature has already been experimenting with the concept for millions of years.